Question words help us ask for specific information. Today, we focus on the word how. How asks about the way or method of doing something. How is used to ask about the manner or method of doing something. It helps us understand the process or way something happens. How do you cook rice asks about the method of cooking rice. The answer explains the steps or way to prepare rice. How do you make coffee asks about the process of making coffee. This question wants to know the steps or recipe used. How does she drive asks about her manner of driving. The answer describes her driving style or technique. How often do you exercise asks about frequency. The answer tells how many times or how regularly you exercise. How much does it cost asks about price or amount. This question wants to know the total cost or quantity. How long is the movie asks about duration. The answer tells the length of time the movie runs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.